Malika. I mean, Mr. Bobbin.
I don't even say that actually. Hello everyone, it's Mr. Bobbin or Malika. I don't even know if I said that in one of my videos. And welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. So today, okay, confession. These are my confessions. So I've honestly been knitting like 2 rows a day, which is not good when you're using DK weight. That's what it is.
Yeah. When
you're using DK weight. If it was fluffy yarn worsted plus, it would have been fine. But not when you're using 4mm needles and DK weight yarn. But today I am going to knit for real, and how do I say this? Okay, I want to knit 4 inches today. 4 inches. 4 inches. That's pretty long for like knitting wise. So I'm going to try and get that done today, which means I literally have to knit non-stop today. I have no choice. I'm giving myself no choice. I have to knit 4 inches today. So by the time 3 p.m. hits or something, and I'm telling you guys, whatever, I will have done 4 inches. No choice. So let's get it, everyone. Right?
Salute. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What are we guessing?
Over now, guys.
She's gonna do 4 inches. Yep. Stay up if you have to. She's a fucking liar. Sorry.
Over now, guys. Okay guys, it is advent calendar time, but before I get to the exciting stuff, I'm gonna show you guys, I don't even know why I'm narrating like that, but this is how far I got. This is how much knitting I did today from my project curl, so it's kind of hard to show, but from the stitch marker right here all the way down. So I got that much knitting done today, and it's 2.5 inches. It's not 4, but I will be done today. Like, I will complete the 4 inches today. I don't know why I said 4 inches. 4 inches is a lot, but I really thought I could do that. I mean, I will do it, but just not in this video. Tomorrow I should be at 4 inches because I'll continue knitting for the rest of the night. But as of right now, I'm at 2.5, which is crazy because that's a lot I did today, and my hands feel tingly. Every time I knit a lot, my hands just start feeling tingly, so I know I have to stop. And now you can really tell, like, what I was trying to tell you guys. Like, I started with light green, then this dark green, and then this darkest green, and so on and so on. I mean, these are the only greens I have, but you can, like, see, like, the idea I got. And this is how long it is. If I wanted to make it crop, I literally could stop right now, but I'm gonna make it a regular sweater, and then it'll be time to do the sleeves. But this is how the sweater is looking so far. I got a lot done today, but yeah, that's the update on that project. And now it's time to show you guys the advent calendar yarn. So yesterday was this one, and it's like that hue of pink, like it's really not even white anymore. And I was saying yesterday how I feel like today is going to really start morphing into a solid color that it's going to turn into. I'm guessing it's going to start turning into pink, because before I saw pink splatters everywhere in the past few days, and then this one has a hue of pink. So I'm assuming that day 9 is going to have pink in it. So we're literally going to see in a few seconds, and I'm excited. These stickers are really like getting harder to open. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm always nervous. I'm always nervous. Okay, I'm not looking. How does it look? Oh, I was right. I was right. I am so good at guessing at these things. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm a psychic. Like, I can just see things. I can, bro. I am so good at guessing at this. Like, are you kidding me? Okay, this is how it looks. I don't know why I'm so excited that I'm right, but okay, so can you please help me out here? Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm not sure if it's like on it, clear on it, but this is how it looks. It's very, very, very pink. This was yesterday and this is today, so it definitely just took that pink turn right away without even like gradually going from like a little white to pink. But either way, I was so right, and I honestly cannot guess tomorrow's own because there are so many colors going on in this skein that this could go anywhere. Like, I know it's done with white, but other than that, like, I see purple in here. I still see blue. So I don't think we're done with the blue quite yet. I think it's maybe going to transition to a darker blue, like, later on. But I see a little, like, brownish here. I don't know. Like, I really don't know, like, what this color could turn into. But all I know is that I was right about it being pink because it had that pink hue. And I just knew that it was going to be pink. But tomorrow, I literally can't tell you. If I were to guess, I would say more pink and purple or more pink and blue. But definitely pink still in there. But that's really all I can guess, because like I just don't understand why it would be purple since we just came from purple, like, you know, purple here. But it's still gonna be beautiful no matter what. My favorite is still day 5. I think this color is just a beautiful, beautiful combination. I love this. I need this in sweater quantity. Like, are you kidding me? This is so beautiful. But this is day 9, and I'm going to show you guys the fade right now. Okay, guys, so this is how the advent calendar is fading out so far. So we went from like kind of dark brown. Yes, that is what I meant. Dark brown, purplish, then purple, then blue, then a hue of pink, and then pink completely. So I'm guessing tomorrow is going to be like some pink and then a little bit of maybe like the purple in here or the blue in here. I don't know, it could go either way. For this video, thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.